Hi guys, it's Shalini. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing well. Now for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my top hair care hacks for thin and fine hair. Now if your hair type is pretty similar to mine, that is I have extremely oily scalp. You guys can see that I'm working on 5th day hair. अभी तक मैंने बाल धोए नहीं, मुझे धो लेने चाहिए थे. Anyway, and the rest of my hair is, that is the length of my hair is pretty frizzy in nature. They lack volume, so I have fine and thin hair. And my hair concern has always been thinning of the hair, frizzy hair, and sometimes hair fall also, which I tend to get because of a lot of stress, imbalance of hormones, PCOD, ये सारे जो भी factors होते हैं ना, that is related to hair fall. So in today's video, I'm going to be like spilling some beans for you all. There are some really amazing hacks, so you want to watch this video till the end. And we have sponsors for today's video, guys. Today's video is sponsored by the brand The Derma Co. I've talked about this brand quite a few times on this channel. I've tried their skincare range, especially their 10% niacinamide serum and their HA BHA gel are two of my favorite products from their skincare range. They are part of my skincare regime, and recently they have launched their hair care range, and I ended up selecting their anti-hair fall regime. I'm gonna end up showing you that how I like to use it and why I like to use it. So without further ado, let's begin with today's video. This introduction is like killing me, it's very long, so let's go. So you guys can see that even though I have long hair, but they are fine and thin, and I badly need to trim the lengths of my hair because they are pretty damaged. So the technique which I'm going to use today to cut and trim my hair is the one which I saw on YouTube. This technique is not just going to trim the length of my hair, but also is going to add some layers to my hair. So पतले बालों में अच्छे लगते हैं लेयर्स, ऐसा लगता है कि आपके बालों में थोड़ी सी वॉल्यूम है. So you guys saw the first thing which I did is flipped my hair, and then I'm using my brush to comb my hair, and I'm going to be creating a ponytail in the front side of my hair. You want to make sure the ponytail that you are creating is very sleek, so brush your hair properly. Next up, I'm going to tie my hair using a hair tie, and I will make sure that it's a very tight ponytail. And then I'm going to tie another hair tie for the length of my hair, and here I'm going to adjust my hair tie a bit. जहाँ से मैं अपने बालों को काटूंगी उसके थोड़ा नीचे अपने hair tie को मैं रखूंगी. And I'm going to be cutting a lot of my hair, ऐसा लग रहा होगा, but when I will flip my hair back now, you will see that I have maintained the length of my hair. Okay, now I will start cutting my hair using scissors which are not meant to cut your hair. They are not hair cutting scissors, but I am working with whatever I had. So the hair tie acted as a guideline for me, and I'm going for a straight blunt cut. And after cutting my hair, this is what my hair looks like. And now I will start point cutting my hair so that my hair won't look blunt and it will have some texture to it. Now I will remove the hair tie and flip my hair again, and you guys can see that this hair cutting style has given me three things. Firstly, it removed all of my damaged hair, it has maintained the length of my hair, and also it has added some texture, that is layers, to the front part of my hair, that is top part of my hair, and I'm really happy about it. Now if you will end up trying this hair cutting hack, do let me know in the comment section below कि आपके लिए कैसा काम किया. I'm so amazed and happy with the results I got after like trying this hair cutting hack. In fact, my ponytail looks super healthy. You know, पहले मैं ponytail इतना ज़्यादा बनाती नहीं थी क्योंकि नीचे से मेरे बाल बहुत डैमेज और रफ थे और बहुत पतले थे ना, तो ponytail healthy नहीं दिखता था. अब बाल थोड़े छोटे तो हो चुके हैं, but I'm really happy that all the split ends and damaged hair is gone. It's just hair, you know, it will grow back. That is hack number 2 is all about treating the scalp. Now we will be using products and techniques and method that is going to help in stimulating the blood flow of the scalp, which in turn is going to promote hair growth. So for that, I'm going to be using anti-hair fall range by the brand The Derma Co. So I'm going to remove my hair tie, and then I will use my brush to comb through my hair to detangle my hair. Very important step. This is going to help with the next step, that is applying hair oil and shampooing our hair. So the hair oil which I'm using is anti-hair fall oil by the brand Derma Co. This is for enhanced hair growth. This oil contains bringraj oil in it, onion oil in it. This is free of minerals, sulfate and paraben, and all of the Derma Co products are clinically proven. They are designed by dermatologists and they are formulated and approved by dermatologists. So I'm going to take few drops of this hair oil on my palm and then massage my palm to heat up the oil a bit, and then I will start applying the oil all over my scalp. So whenever you're applying the oil on your scalp, you want to use your fingertips, not your nails. This oil has bringraj oil in it and also onion oil in it, and they are known for regulating the blood circulation of the scalp, which in turn can promote hair growth. Even though I have extremely oily scalp, that doesn't mean that I cannot apply hair oil on my hair. I really find them pretty relaxing, and you have to find the right kind of oil that works for the hair type that you have. Applying hair oil is going to deeply nourish the scalp and the length of your hair inside out, and it's going to provide a lot of shine to it and repair the damaged and brittle hair. And also I really find applying hair oil pretty therapeutic and relaxing. I like to do it once every twice a week क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा lazy हूँ. I'm that girl. Can you see? बाल इतने पतले कि इतनी सी चोटी बनी है मेरी, है ना? So I will leave this oil for about 30 minutes. You can also apply hot towel around your hair to get better result. So I will check in with you guys within 30 minutes. Hey guys, 30 minutes are done. I'm back again. I was watching It's Okay Not to Be Okay का नया episode. This is a Korean drama. Let's go wash this hair. Now switching your regular shampoo to anti-hair fall shampoo is a great way to promote hair growth because they contain certain ingredients which can help with the hair growth and reduce hair fall. So this one is anti-hair fall shampoo by the brand Dermaco. Again, this is for hair fall reduction. This one has caffeine and niacinamide in it. Again, this is free of paraben and sulfate and mineral oil free. So this product has some really great ingredients like caffeine and niacinamide in it. They can work together to improve hair fiber and prevent thinning of the hair. They can increase the blood circulation level, which in turn it's going to promote hair growth. Also, I really like the formula of this shampoo, guys. जब से मैंने इसको यूज़ करना शुरू किया मैंने नोटिस किया कि मेरा जो oily scalp है वो इतना oily नहीं रहता है. Even on third day, my scalp doesn't feel oily. So I really like the formula of it. And of course, after shampooing your hair, you want to use a conditioner for the length of your hair. Leave the conditioner for up to 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off using cold water. And then I'm going to use the hair wrap on my head to soak away the excess water. After that, I will completely air dry my hair. So now I'm using a brush to comb through my hair again to detangle my hair. And next up, we'll be using anti-hair fall serum on our head. This is multi-peptide hair serum by the brand Dermaco again. This one has ingredients like procapil and caffeine in it. So I've never tried a product like this, like a leave-in product for the scalp to promote hair growth. You know, I like to use it on the area where I am suffering through hair thinning. That is where I usually part my hair. So you need to apply this on dry hair. That is what I'm doing. I'm taking around 4 to 5 pump of it, spraying it directly on my head and then massaging it. I'm on my week 2 of trying this product. I will let you know after 8 to 9 weeks कि मेरे बालों के लिए कैसा इफेक्ट रहा और मैंने क्या डिफरेंस नोटिस किया. So this was the little spa routine which I did using technique and products that can promote hair growth. By the way, my t-shirt says good shoes take you good places. How ironic for 2020 this is. So I keep on changing my hair partition and you should be also doing that, and it's been a year I've been parting my hair from the middle and you guys can see that it has affected my hair because of the gravity and lot of other factors. My hair has started to thin from the middle. So I have a hack for you that how to cover that thinning part and the sparse area of the scalp. You can use matte eyeshadow color which is very close to your hair color. I'm using jet black here. And I'm gonna use a dense brush to pick up the color, and then I will start placing the color on the area where I think my scalp is visible. And I'm not the first person to discover this hack. I learned it from Huda Beauty. So many creators and YouTubers like to do it. If you have an important meeting, video conference, or if you want to click pictures for your profile, you can go for this hack. I like to usually go for it whenever I'm doing my YouTube videos. So as I said in this video, I've been parting my hair from the middle. It's been over a year and because of that my hair just sits flat. It lacks volume and वहाँ पे thinning भी होना शुरू हो गई है. So a great hack to instantly add volume is to change the partition of your hair, and you guys can see that it just instantly lifted my hair. There is a lot of volume, and I will start doing this more often because I want to give my old partition some break so that it can rejuvenate and my hair can start to grow back on that area. Okay, this hack is something that you probably know, but I'm going to show you and tell you that how you can maintain that volume on your hair the next day. So after brushing my hair, very important point, you should be brushing your hair and then twisting my hair in a bun. I'm going to keep it for about 8 hours or more than 8 hours, and next day when I will open up my twist, this is the kind of volume it will give me. अब थोड़े से बाल जंगली दिख रहे हैं, it's time to manage them and make them look pretty. So I'm using a comb here. You can also use a brush, and then I'm going to comb just the top part of my hair, not all of my hair, not through my hair, just the top part of my hair to make them look manageable. Then to add some shine on my hair and also for the length of my hair, I'm going to take 1 drop of oil, massage it on my palm, warm it up, and then run through my hair, and that's it. You guys can see that instantly there is some volume on my hair and my hair looks so beautiful. It looks so manageable. And पता है guys, मेरे घर में तो blow dryer है ही नहीं, मैंने खरीदा ही नहीं ताकि मैं उसे यूज़ ना करूँ. So if your hair is super thin just like mine and they lay down flat and you want to add lot of volume to your crown section, this is what I like to do. I'm gonna separate all of my hair versus the crown section and the section जहाँ पे मेरे बालों में layers हैं, मेरे बाल छोटे हैं सामने, वो वाला part. I will be applying heat protecting spray on that area and then using my hair straightener I will start curling my hair in the upward direction. And you wanna do this randomly, so I'll be picking randomly one inch section of my hair and then place my hair in my straightener and then flip my straightener, flip my hair uske saath and then rotate the straightener and then wait for about 10 seconds, and that's how you get that curl. This method is going to work for the people who have extremely fine hair and doesn't have lot of volume, क्योंकि ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा आपको आपके बालों को curl करने में. So I'm going to repeat this process on the other side of my hair, and with the magic of editing, voila, my hair is all done. So I don't like to use heating tools on my hair every single day because they can actually damage your hair. So I come up with this idea of like styling half of the hair only, that is where I have layers, and I've been really liking the result, and it hardly takes around 10 minutes to do so. So those were the hacks for thin, fine and damaged hair. Most of the hacks were focused on the scalp क्योंकि यही वो जगह है जहाँ से हेयर फॉल होता है, थिनिंग होती है बालों की. एंड दीज आर द 4 प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई बॉट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड द डर्मा को, जो कि मैंने आपको दिखाया, एक्सेप्ट दिस वन. दिस इज देयर बायोटीन एंड हेयर वाइटामिन्स. आई हैव नॉट यूज दिस येट, सो मैंने इसको मेंशन नहीं किया है. एंड दिस इज देयर CTMP रूटीन. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द क्लिंजर, दैट इज देयर शैम्पू, एंड देन देयर इज अ ट्रीटमेंट प्रोडक्ट दैट इज देयर हेयर एंटी हेयर फॉल सीरम. उसके बाद मॉइस्चराइजेशन फॉर योर स्कैल्प विद द हेल्प ऑफ this hair oil. Lastly, protection for your scalp and hair with the help of this biotin tablets, which I have not used, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया. So this brand claims that you can definitely see the result on your hair by following their regime within 8 weeks of trying their regime. So if you're interested in their hair care regime and if you want to take the challenge yourself, I'll provide links in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. I also have a coupon code that is Shalini25. You can use this coupon code and you will get 25% off at thedermaco.com. No, this is not at all an affiliate code. I will also try to provide all of my favorite products from this brand, ताकि अगर आप खरीदारी कर रहे हो तो आपको थोड़ी आसानी हो, हेल्प हो जाए. On that note, this is it for today's video, you all. I really hope you found this video informative and helpful as usual. And if you did, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Like this video, comment on this video, and share this video with your friends and family सबके साथ. And I will see you all next time with brand new content for this channel. Keep on washing your hands and keep on watching my videos. Bye bye.